Hello, I am Prasanna Jadhav, learning in 9th class from Yashwant Ideal Hostel. Today I am talk about voice. Voice, there are two types of voice: active voice, passive voice. Active voice formula: subject plus helping verb oblique verb plus object. Passive voice formula: object plus helping verb plus V3 plus by plus subject. Active voice subjects: I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Passive voice objective case: me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Sentences: I eat a mango. मी आंबा खातो. A mango is eaten by me. माझ्याकडून आंबा खाल्ला गेला. We eat a mango. आम्ही आंबा खातो. A mango is eaten by us. आमच्याकडून आंबा खाल्ला गेला. You eat a mango. तू आंबा खातोस. A mango is eaten by you. तुझ्याकडून आंबा खाल्ला गेला. He eats a mango. तो आंबा खातो. A mango is eaten by him. त्याच्याकडून आंबा खाल्ला गेला. She eats a mango. ती आंबा खाते. A mango is eaten by her. तिच्याकडून आंबा खाल्ला गेला. It eats a mango. ते आंबा खातो. A mango is eaten by it. त्याच्याकडून आंबा खाल्ला गेला. They eat a mango. ती आंबा खातात. A mango is eaten by them. त्यांच्याकडून आंबा खाल्ला गेला. थँक्यू.